Did the stone wall stop you?
Yeah. I don't think she likes chasing sleds. Ready? Give it a push. Looked like a pretty good run. Runs right into the tree. All right, so that tree down there, we got to berm it up so the sled goes off to the side. Otherwise you hit that and you go spinning everywhere, which is fine if you hit the sled. Whew. Not so fine if you hit your head. Huh, rhymes. Ha. Where did I put my helmet? Oh yeah, actually I think my helmet's hanging on the handlebars. Not bad. Okay, Chloe, back to the fort. Snow fleas. And it starts. Invasion of the delivery people that must be solved by man-eating dog. Every time. UPS, FedEx, propane. You're digging a hole in the route. She's like, if I sit here, nobody can sled. She's like the safety patrol.
Mom's safe if I dig it up.
Chloe, we're gonna have to fill that back in now. Hey, why don't you dig over here? There's a hole.
Now you gotta try it.
Now I'll try it.
Yeah, run up that a few times like I did. Whew. awesome, right? Oh, are you tired? I ran up that like 10 times. Oh, winded, huh?
Yeah.
Are you mostly tired? Did the stone wall stop you?
Yeah. You went thump. So the nephews are over, so everybody is sledding in the trees with guides on the ugly trees and extra padding and extra helmets. So we'll see how this goes.
The one good thing about this one now is you have a longer end spot.
Where's my helmet?
I hang it on the shed door. So when you're a kid and the snow is up to your waist. Uh-oh, I'm gonna get run over. Ready, bail. Bail. Hands up. Oh. 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 I need my gloves. Yeah, buddy.
I think I may have hit you.
Maybe. I got flattened.
Hi, Uncle Jimmy.
Hey, buddy. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
He's gonna run it. It's like a whiplash prescription right before Christmas. What are you digging up there, Jacob?
A rock or some floor.
Digging up the rocks? Oh, 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 wow! He makes it. Wow. He makes it look like it's not that dangerous.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Once these get moved.
Bonk. Number one. Bonk number two. This is starting to pack down. Nice little compact and launch. It's like a hole you launch yourself into.
I'll push you. Hey, love, I'll push you. Do you know how I'm going to push him?
No, not yet.
Give him a boost. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he didn't go very far.
Time to go.
So watch this. We make hot fire now. Jimmy cheats.
this modernized snaffle.
Modernized bellows.
Yeah.
Just don't pump them involved. Get the coals nice and hot.
And then
We have a fire!